Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you my new Maybelline makeup purchases. On the way to work the other day, Friday morning, I heard on the radio that Coles were having 50% off their Maybelline makeup line. So the first opportunity I got, which was Sunday morning after my son's soccer game, I raced down to my local Coles and sifted through all the Maybelline makeup. There was so much lying around underneath the shelves. I scooped everything up, placing everything back into its original position, tidying it all up and merchandising it the way it's supposed to look in a bid to make sure that all the items in stock were on display for me. So I ended up picking up a few little products that I want to show you. I grabbed the Dream Satin BB Cream in the light medium. I love this BB cream. I love the satin finish. It has an SPF 30. And so when I use this, there is no need to apply my Aveeno moisturizer. It's a fantastic BB cream for a drugstore line. I picked up the Master Strobing liquid. I squeeze a little bit of this in my BB cream or whatever foundation I'm using, and it just gives your face this beautiful, opalescent, iridescent glow. And if you're anything like me and all about the glow, I just couldn't go past this. I stocked up on a couple of my Fit Me concealers, one in sand to brighten the under eye and the other one in medium to cover any red spots or redness that I may have showing through under my foundation. I picked up the Fit Me pressed powder in medium. I do have the natural beige color, but it is a little bit light for my skin at this time of year, so I picked up the medium. This powder comes with a little puff pad. It's great to just set the concealer under my eyes and around my nose and just blurs everything out so it looks more like your own natural skin. I grabbed this gorgeous Master Blush palette containing one highlighter and 3 different blushes. I'm really liking this bright pink. I think it's gorgeous. I actually have it on my cheeks. I picked up my Brow Drama mascara in dark brown. This is one product I absolutely love. For every day when I don't have time to fill in my brows with a pencil, it's just so easy to use. I absolutely love this Brow Drama. I grabbed another Colossal Volume Express mascara. It's probably my 3rd tube that I'm onto. It's just a great drugstore mascara. I also picked up a couple of lip liners, the Color Sensational ones in Nude Whisper and Magnetic Mauve. I absolutely love the creamy matte lipsticks that they have. I picked up Daringly Nude and Lust for Blush. I have Lust for Blush on my lips today, paired back with the Magnetic Mauve lip liner. That's the Magnetic Mauve, and that's the Daringly Nude. And lastly, I picked up yet another of my Maybelline Baby Lips lip balm. I mean, why not? It was half price, even though I do have probably about 4 stashed around my various places. This is the one I always get, the anti-oxidant berry one. It has no color stain on your lips. It's just clear, but it does leave a beautiful sheen on your lips. I can't explain it. It's just your lips, but better. So that rounds up my purchases from Maybelline. I hope you enjoyed checking out what I bought. If you live in Australia and you're close to a Coles supermarket, I suggest you get down there immediately and stock up on your favorites. I thought 50% is just an absolute steal. As for a drugstore product, I'm a huge fan of Maybelline. I love their stuff. I think they do the best mascaras. They do beautiful eyeshadow palettes. And I didn't pick up an eyeshadow palette because I'm not really into eyeshadow, and if I do use eyeshadow, I love their 24-hour tattoo cream eyeshadows. They are the only eyeshadows I use on my eyes. I have Chocolate Suede and Bad to the Bronze. They are my favorite eyeshadows in the whole wide world. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!